Hello, driving intelligence community. I've got an AM/FM radio in my boat, and it has a whip antenna that's sitting on my tower. Now, I used an old clamp from my wakeboard holder that is not quite tight enough, so it kind of flops around. Well, I went to one of the sponsors that I normally work with, KEMIMOTO, and they have a really nice whip antenna holder. This thing actually clamps onto your tower, and you can use it for flags, for antenna, various other things you can use it for. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and install this on my boat and transfer that antenna from that junky setup that I did to something that's pretty high quality. Stay tuned. Here's my AM/FM radio connected to a homemade system. This is from a wakeboard tower rack. I cut some sheet metal, screwed it into that, and attached the antenna to this piece of sheet metal. I didn't want to cut any holes in the deck. Well, hopefully this KEMIMOTO unit will work a lot better. The contents of the KEMIMOTO kit includes the clamp itself, a pretty nice unit made out of aluminum. It's got the instructions, an Allen wrench for installation, and a little clip to make sure that that pin doesn't pull out while you're driving down the lake. Unfortunately, my antenna wasn't a direct match for the KEMIMOTO unit, but fortunately, I have the skills to make it work. I just modified the receiving base for the antenna, and now it's ready to be installed on the boat. And here's the final product. To protect my wake tower and ensure a secure fit, I wrapped a rubber strip from my wakeboard rack around the wake tower tube before tightening the bolts with the included Allen wrench. The whip holder is adjustable forwards and backwards by removing the cotter pin and then the lock pin. This is really a very nice upgrade to my classic boat, providing the security and looks that are important to me. A definite upgrade to that ugly homemade unit. Links to this item are in the description section of this video, and don't forget to comment and like before you leave. Until next time, ciao for now.